Hello and welcome back to Hold Tight Riders. In today's video I want to take you for a little look around the superb Callaghan rooms available in the Gold River Hotel at PortAventura World, Spain. Situated in their own separated building, these 78 premium rooms were opened in 2015 and promise a more deluxe experience than the 549 standard rooms in the rest of the hotel, which opened 6 years earlier in 2009. The room is impressively large, with 2 double beds and plenty of space around them, and a very well maintained bathroom. I particularly enjoyed the printed tiling on the walls here, which looked and felt like wallpaper. The Gold River complex features multiple buildings spread out to replicate the feel of an old gold rush town, and is directly connected to its own entrance of the theme park. From the Callaghan building, it'll take you less than 5 minutes to reach the theme park entrance. There are multiple swimming pools, restaurants and bars, so plenty to keep everybody entertained. What I particularly love though is the price. We visited off-peak and got a 3-day, 2-night package for just over €400 for 2 people. This included 3 days of theme park tickets and a half-board meal plan. Let me know, have you stayed at the Hotel Gold River? Or do you perhaps want to now? Thanks for watching.